For the purpose of frame making, we're going to use a commercial frame. We have a top bar, 2 bottom bars, 2 side bars, some small tacks which we call gimp nails, and a sheet of wired foundation. First of all, take the top bar. You'll find that one piece on the top bar is loose. Just cut down through, take that piece away, put to one side. That leaves you the top bar part missing. This may need a bit of cleaning, remove any excess bits of wood, and on here. Take a sidebar, part with the groove goes on the inner side. Same with this one, groove, inner side. Slight tap down. Make sure they fit tight and they're flush on the top. Bottom bars. Bottom bars fit in the 2 grooves at the base. Make sure they're flush on the ends. So now you have 2 bottom bars, top bar, square. Just to be sure, make sure it's square. Use a tri-square. Line up. If it's not square, just a little bit of adjustment. Make sure that these arms are square with the top bar. Nail your hammer on this. You do in the top location. Again on the top, in the very top. Just double check again. Nice and square. Turn it over. Again on the top. Now we need to put nails into the very top, or the bottom bars I should say. Only one nail on the end of each bottom bar. Now you should have one solid frame, and then in each bottom bar and each top corner to hold the frame nice and firm. With the piece of timber missing from here face towards you, take a sheet of foundation with these deeper lugs to go down the bottom, like so. Slide down to near the bottom. Near the bottom, bend these pieces of wire on the side that the piece of timber is missing from, and slide all the way in, so then these are sitting square. Take the bottom bar, place in position. Where your wires come up, put a tack. But note, the tack should be at an angle so it goes into the top bar and holds this piece and the wax all in one place. Follow the wire. Again, follow the wire. Now you have one frame complete, ready to fit into the hive. There is an alternative to this type of frame, and that is a plastic frame. Here we have one, plastic frame, no nails, boil to clean and sterilise, doesn't rot, lasts forever. Simply pull these pieces apart, two sides. You can get these in, this is for a super, national super, you can get these for a national brood box. Put your piece of foundation and just simply slot them together. Quick and easy, no nails, no hammering, nice and easy to fit.